What's poppin', my LillyPops? Thanks so much for tuning into your girl's channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going from a stretched pompadour look. Sorry, I did not film me achieving this style, but it's super cute. And I've decided that I want to wear my hair in its naturally curly state, which is something that I don't think I've really done on this channel. Just in case you're wondering, I typically stray away from wearing my hair in its curly state because in the past, my hair has become extremely tangled. I don't have those type of curls that just stay free and they don't intertwine with each other. It gets pretty hectic, but I've recently refined my processes and noticed that I was able to mitigate hair loss through detangling with these new things that I'm doing. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I will be applying my Avocado deep conditioner that I shared with you all a few months ago in a previous video. Make sure to check that out. The only amendment that I've made to this mixture is that I've now added grapeseed oil into it. Playing around with oils is something that I definitely encourage as you're trying different DIYs, just so you can see what works, what gets you better results, and what is probably a no-go. So I'm evenly distributing it to my hair, just in case that you notice a bit of the avocado pieces are in my hair. They washed out with ease, but if you would prefer for the pieces not to be in your hair because your hair is way thicker and there's the likelihood that they'll get stuck in there, just drain the avocado deep conditioner. Strain it in a stocking or a kitchen strainer that you have, just to make sure that those pieces do not filter through. I'm cracking up. The only reason you're seeing me tucking hair behind my ear on several occasions is because I have really small ears and my hair typically doesn't stay behind there. But while I was applying the mask, I noticed that it would stay, so I'm just living it up for the moment. I didn't even end up using all of the deep conditioner, so I'm just going to pop a bit of rosemary extract into it to help with preservation. I'm storing this baby in the fridge. I'm then moving on to using the Mayel Organics Curl Smoothie. And just in case you're wondering why I have gloves on, wearing gloves helps with minimizing frizz. I often elect to just simply apply oil to my hands to reduce frizz as well, but the thing that I've noticed is that with oil, sometimes while I'm still going on to styling my hair, after the oil is off of my fingers, I still just move on, so one part will not be frizzy, but the other part will. Just wearing gloves from start to finish helps with mitigating that. So if I'm at a point that I have gloves, I definitely make sure to use that. In some instances, I'm using the praying hands method to move that product throughout my hair, and then in other instances, I'm raking the product through. It may have looked like I was applying a lot of product, but as you can see, that product is not packed onto my hair and showing as visibly white or anything. I'm then moving on to using grapeseed oil to help with moisture and adding luster to my hair. And this is where the plot twist comes in with the hair hack. Although I didn't record it with me getting into the shower, I've noticed that when wearing my hair in its natural state, one of the things that I've started doing is actually applying like the moisturizing products to my hair and then going into a hot shower and allowing the naturally formed steam from that shower to actually penetrate my hair without getting my hair wet. I'm a low porosity natural and I sometimes struggle with retaining moisture, but this has really helped with making sure that my curls are not only moisturized, but they're not getting getting intertwined and creating tangles that ultimately leads to breakage when I'm doing styling later on in the week or when it's time for my next wash day. Even when I'm not wearing my hair in its natural state, I've started doing this. I try to aim for twice a week, but sometimes, over the past couple of weeks, it's been only once a week. I make sure that I do this throughout the week as well to just make sure that my hair is constantly moisturized, since I do deal with a lot of breakage during the winter time. So that's just a hair hack for people out there that overall struggle with retaining moisture. Try the steam from the shower, and I like staying away from styling tools, so that makes me love it more without actually having to plug up a steamer. So happy holidays, everyone. For my final look, I rocked a pin updo. I'm sorry if you can't really see it in these clips. I definitely thought that I was more in frame. I was filming a vlog for you guys, but then decided against it on Christmas Day. But I'm loving this final look. I really feel like, this year has been extremely reflective for me with dealing with, having extremely healthy hair, reaching a hair length I have never had. Then shortly after, dealing with heat damage, moving on to getting a diva cut. And now I'm in this place where, I feel like I have medium length hair when wearing twist outs and other styles. But then my hair in its natural state is more of like a short taper cut. At first, I wasn't really sure how I felt about that, but it's really nice to have the versatility and to be able to play with my hair while making sure that it's healthy and sharing that with you guys. So just keep watching to the end so you can see a few photos of how I wore my hair in this cute little fro hawk with some Christmas Day pins. My LillyPops pop off.